alligator, green and sly. B is for butterfly, fluttering by. C is for camel, with humps on its back. D is for dog, running fast on the track. Come to the zoo, there's so much to see. Animals and letters from A to Z. Sing along, dance and play, learning the alphabet the animal way. E is for elephant, mighty and strong. F is for flamingo with legs so long. G is for giraffe, reaching up high. H is for hippo, who loves mud pies. Come to the zoo, there's so much to see. I is for iguana, sunning all day. J is for jaguar, sneaky and gray. K is for kangaroo, hopping around. L is for lion, the king who is crowned. Come to the zoo, there's so much to see. M is for monkey, swinging on trees. N is for narwhal, swimming with ease. O is for owl, awake in the night. P is for penguin, waddling in delight. Come to the zoo, there's so much to see. Q is for quail, so tiny and quick. R is for rabbit, who loves a good trick. S is for snake, slithering low. T is for turtle, who's slow as they go. Come to the zoo, there's so much to see. U is for urchin, under the sea. V is for vulture, perched in the tree. W is for walrus, with tusks so grand. X is for x-ray fish, glowing and bland. Y is for yak, with a woolly coat. Z is for zebra, with stripes on its throat. Come to the zoo, there's so much to see.